Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to abuse this exchange for a lot of money. Now just give me a second to explain everything. Now this exchange is actually the 7th biggest exchange in the world. Now I'm only showing you this so you don't think this is all a big scam. Now also, before you say that they have very bad reviews on Trustpilot, I want to tell you that bad reviews is normal for crypto exchanges because Binance also has a 1-star review, and this only happens because many people still don't know how to use crypto and they have no idea how to withdraw the money. But don't worry, if you don't know how to use crypto, everything will be explained today. Now we're not going to be trading, we're not going to be risking our own money, we're not going to be like day trading. I'm not teaching you how to trade, I'm literally showing you how to get paid easily. The thing that I'm going to show you is airdrops. Now you can also do this on Binance or Bybit, but there's too much competition there and basically you will get paid way less. So now let me introduce you. Now also make sure to use the link down below to get a 5% discount on all of your fees to make even more money. So basically there is this session that is called Airdrop Plus. Now you can see many airdrops that you can basically join. You can see the prize pool right over here for the total money that will be paid out to everyone that participates. Now why are they doing this? Why are they paying it? So the way this actually works is just like clipping. For example, creators pay money for you to post clips and they get promoted. Now in crypto, when they launch a new crypto coin, now in the crypto world, the main way to actually promote your coin is simply by increasing its volume. Now to increase its volume, it means that it has to be traded more and more. So what these Airdrop Plus events actually do is they pay you for trading their coin. But trading their coin doesn't mean like buying it, holding it, analyzing, and then selling and making profit, etc. They pay you for basically, you can simply just buy and sell it like instantly. So you won't lose any money and you will basically get paid by all of these crypto coins just by simply trading their coin. So this is very simple. All you have to do is simply trade all of these coins. Now I will show you how to do it. So first of all, when you go to this page, you will see a lot of these events. So what I recommend first doing, now I'm also showing this from a perspective of a new account. So yeah, see, I haven't joined anything. So all you need to do is first make sure to join all of them at once. So please register to join. Now go back, now join the next one, and basically go through all of them and register first. After you're done registering, let me just show you on a random event what you actually have to do. So all of them have this: make a deposit of $100. So basically if you join all of them at once and you make that deposit, you will complete this task on all of them. Now the next thing is trading this coin, the first one for example, trading it on spot. So what they ask for you to do to get a spot volume of $100. Now it's very simple to get a $100 spot volume. For example, even if you have $5, you can acquire this. If you buy and sell a coin, if you buy it for $5, you sell it for $5, that's $10 of volume. And if you do it 20 times, that's $100 of volume. So basically if you have $100, just like it says to deposit here, you can simply just buy and sell it and you have completed this task. Then on futures, you also need to do it 5 times. So buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And you also will complete this task and you will receive 2,000 of this token. Now this pays in their own tokens, but a lot of events actually simply just pay you in USDT. For example, this one pays $50 in their coin, so you get $100 right here. These events actually pay $50 on average, so if you join today, you can simply get around $1,000 just today. And this is mainly for new users because new users can get paid a lot here. But even if you're not a new user, you can simply, like, this main task that pays the most is for new users only. So I recommend joining now because at the moment there is a lot of events happening, so make sure to not miss out. Even if you're not a new user, you can still do these 2 tasks, which are very, very simple as well. For example, you need to get a 2,000 trading volume progress. Now, like I said, why I don't do this on Bybit or Binance is because you can go ahead here and basically if you have $100, you can go buy, sell for like 1,000 times. You will accumulate like 100,000 of trading volume, right? The thing is, the more trading volume you get, the more you get paid here. So if you can spam this on like a lot of events, even if you have an account already here for a long time, or even if you're new, you can simply spam this and you will receive money. And as see, each user can receive up to 800 USDT. So I believe if you get like 100,000 of trading volume, you will easily get $800. So that's why it's amazing. Now, like I said, if you don't know how to trade, let me show you. So for example, we need to trade IKA on spot. So all we need to do is type in IKA. And now if you have USDT, just go to USDT. This is futures, right? If you go to perpetual, this is futures. So this is this task. So on here, you need to trade $500. And on spot right here, you need to trade $100. So to trade, you actually just click on it, then simply choose market right here. Choose the amount that you actually want to trade. Like I said, this is a new account. I can't really showcase you. And also this coin hasn't yet been released, but many of them already have, so don't worry. If you register, especially if the event is already started, you will participate. So I'm literally filming this as I'm going to post this video. So if you see this video posted today, I recommend joining now. But basically you can always join. There's always around 30 events and they pay out a lot of money. So as a new user on this exchange, you can get a lot of money paid out. And basically these events are mostly for the first 1,000 people. On all of the exchanges, it's for the first 1,000 people, but on Bybit and Binance, these 1,000 people arrive within like seconds. Here, it takes like a week. So that's why I recommend using this exchange to actually make money from these airdrops. Now you can also do this on Bybit, but like I said, there's too many participants and the competition is too high. So for example, if you go into the trading over and over to reach a higher volume, you're not going to get paid as much as on MaxQC, because as see here, it's not even 1,000 people per event. Some of them even have 300 people, and here it's thousands of people participating in these events. So yeah, I recommend doing it on MaxQC. And now another thing that you can also do to make money here is simply going to events here and going to Launchpool as well. On Launchpool, the way it works is actually you get paid for holding their coin. So for example, USDR, this is a new coin, and they pay you for holding their coin. They pay 200%. You buy it with USDT. So you need to stake right here, and they hold it only for 3 days. So now 200%, this is an APR. APR is basically if you were to hold it for a year, how much you would make. So we can actually very quickly calculate. Let's say 219 for 365 days, right? So if we it's 0.6% a day. So you make, in those 3 days, you make 1.8%. So for example, were to stake $1,000 for 3 days, you would make, I believe, 1.018. You would make $18. So this event in particular isn't very profitable, but actually many of them have given like 400%, which would be around 10% in that 3-day period. So that would actually be insane profits. For example, this one gave 8,000. So also look out for launch pools, and yeah, you will be able to make a lot of money. So I hope you understood everything, and please, if you have any questions, just ask them down below and I will answer them for you. Now also make sure to use the link down below to receive a 5% discount on all of your fees. This is very important because you will receive way more money this way, and yeah.